Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhini's world. After every celebration or parties we enjoy, we prefer our next meal to be very light or sometimes we even try to skip a meal. Skipping a meal is not a healthy option. So let's look at how we can prepare a quick and simple rasam which will be best for digestion and relieves us from all the heaviness we have in our tummies. I feel this recipe is blessing for bachelors and also when we feel lazy and not in a mood of cooking. So let's quickly start this recipe and finish as quickly as we started. Here I am taking one small lemon-sized tamarind and soaking it in hot water for 15 minutes to make tamarind juice quicker. Meanwhile, let's start preparation. I am adding 3 teaspoon oil. Oil is hot enough. Let's add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Mustard seeds started crackling. So let's add 3 red chilies, 7 to 8 roughly chopped garlic pods, some finely chopped curry leaves, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of hing. Let's fry all the spices for 2 minutes on low flame. Spices are well roasted and we can feel nice aroma. Let's add 1 medium tomato chopped into small pieces and fry them for 2 minutes on medium flame. Tomatoes are well roasted in the oil, so let's close the lid and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, tomato should be almost soft. But here the tomato I've used is little raw and it is taking bit more time to cook. Now that tomato is cooked and soft, let's add soaked tamarind juice. I'm adding 2.5 cups of water for rasam consistency. Let's mix once and close the lid. Next, adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix well everything and let it come to boil. Started boiling, now closing the lid. Here we need to simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes to remove raw flavor from tamarind juice and get the nice flavor from all the spices. It is almost 15 minutes. Now let's open the lid and look at our rasam. It is almost ready. Now let's add some rasam powder. Here I am using homemade rasam powder, which I am showing a quick recap from our previous rasam masala recipe video, which you can make it in big batch and store it fresh for months without any refrigeration. If you are interested, you can find the recipe in the suggestion card above and also in the description box below. Believe me friends, this rasam powder will provide nice authentic flavor to our rasam. Alternatively, you can also use store-bought rasam powder. This rasam powder gets mixed in no time. Let's check salt. It is perfect. You can adjust according to your taste. Now let's bring the rasam to one boil and quickly garnish with coriander leaves. Switching off the flame. Always remember, we should not boil rasam for more than 1 minute after adding rasam masala to retain all the best flavors. Rasam along with hot rice would also help you in relieving from blocked nose along with helping constipation related problems. I'll also show you different rasam variations in our upcoming videos. If you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe Gruhini's World. And don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.